Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Jaguar F-Pace versus the Maserati Ghibli. Let's dive into their performance capabilities. The F-Pace boasts a supercharged V8 option, delivering over 500 horsepower for thrilling drives. Meanwhile, the Ghibli offers a potent V6 engine, providing quick acceleration and a distinct exhaust note. Both vehicles are designed to offer a dynamic and engaging driving experience, making every journey exciting. Moving inside, both SUVs offer premium interiors. The F-Pace provides a spacious cabin with a large touchscreen display and intuitive controls, emphasizing comfort and practicality. The Ghibli, on the other hand, showcases Italian craftsmanship with high-quality leather and a sophisticated digital cockpit, creating an opulent atmosphere. Each vehicle integrates advanced technology to enhance your driving pleasure and keep you connected on the go. When it comes to design, the F-Pace maintains Jaguar's signature elegant and sporty lines, offering a classic SUV silhouette. The Ghibli introduces a fresh, modern Maserati look, blending aggressive styling with refined details. In terms of practicality, the F-Pace generally offers more cargo volume, around 30 cubic feet, compared to the Ghibli's slightly smaller capacity. Both are stylish, but their approaches to utility differ. Finally, let's consider value. Both the F-Pace and Ghibli are premium SUVs, with starting prices typically in the mid-$60,000 range, varying by trim and options. Your choice often comes down to personal preference for brand heritage, driving dynamics, and interior ambience. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, both offer a compelling luxury SUV experience, so test drive each to find your perfect match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.